Right? They say family and friends, right? You have your friends in the family, your friends are your family. Family comes first. Do everything that you want to. And now, for Leo, the world is his family, isn't it? The football world is his family.
Of course, the man beside him, Rodrigo de Paul, we all say the little engine or Messi's bodyguard. So he assists Messi, and what a beautiful game. The combination we can see with these Argentinians, with Rodrigo de Paul as well, we can see Luis Suarez also.
Yeah, totally, no doubt. And his epic trademark, the get-up that he comes out with. Generally, of course, in this part of our world, we call it the briefs, the inner vests that he comes out with. Always so nice to see all his tattoos as well. That's another inspiration. See, I'm trying to say, when people see players, they look up to them as stars, right? They look up to them as role models, like idols, like how Messi had looked up to Ronaldo himself, right? That's so nice to actually create that kind of an environment, that kind of a comfort zone where you look at someone else and then become what you want to become. As we also keep looking at a lot of sportsmen, a lot of players in different formats of the game, see them, take inspiration and grow. That's exactly what it is. And I guess football should grow in our country. We need to get that Asian qualification very, very soon. The process is on. Of course, there's a lot of other entities that should fall in place, but when that does happen, India will once again be a big force even in the world of football. For me personally, Swarna, you know what, I'm a little disappointed. We've got so much youthful power in our country, but apart from football, we've dominated, we've achieved in every sport, may it be hockey, may it be kabaddi, everything is there. But for football, I think GOAT being here in the India tour is pumped up that aspiration, it's pumped up that dream to get the Asia Cup qualification first, and then of course slowly move into the FIFA qualification and also the Olympics.
Of course, I agree with you. It's a festival today for all the football fans here in India, seeing Messi on the grounds of Kolkata, here in Hyderabad, and especially with that legend we can see Rodrigo de Paul and Luis Suarez, the engine, the greatest strength with his stamina, always supports to Messi. Rodrigo de Paul, he serves as a